All right, Joe, it's Friday, December 8th. I'm up here in the secret room messing around. I'm just showing you the progress here, really briefly. Putting up sheetrock in here. I got a whole bunch of half-inch sheetrock delivered, and I'm doing the lower vertical parts first. Now, in some parts of this room, the studs are 16 inches on center, which makes things really easy to do. In the sloping parts, they're not. Some of those are up to 30 inches on center, which makes a challenge. Got two windows, got to replace those eventually. And right now it's still a cathedral ceiling, but I'll be putting a regular ceiling up here. On the sloping sections of the ceiling there, where the outside wall slopes, etc. Those are too far apart for me to actually fasten the sheetrock without hope of having it bow out or possibly deform or fall down. So I'm putting just these straps up and trying to get those more or less 16 inches on center so that the sheetrock will be fastened to that instead. And basically I still have the challenge of what to do with this section here that still has some shingles left on it. I still don't know what I'm going to do. But that's kind of what it looks like from here. And I'm going to hopefully get the straps up so that when my trusty assistant Amy gets here next week, we can put up the sloping section there. I'm basically going to leave this part here with all the wood, not any sheetrock on it till I decide what to do. But in the meantime, what I'll do is I'll move the stuff out of the other two front rooms so that I have room to work and what have you while I'm here. I'm going to keep these all short, so I'm going to make a separate video on the other front room.